Green Revolution and the role of the young generation in Geopark Caldera Toba. Good morning everyone, distinguished guests, teachers, and fellow young leaders. I am Ruth Mutiara Sinaga, grade 12 from Santa Lucia High School. Today, we live in a world of rapid industrial and economic growth. Many countries and companies are competing to increase the production of goods and services at the expense of nature. Sadly, some activities in our own backyard like Lake Toba and Geopark Caldera Toba threaten ecosystem and cultural heritage. I call this movement the Green Revolution. It is a philosophy that aims to ensure that we can achieve future prosperity while protecting the environment, especially in Geopark Caldera Toba. But how do we start this movement? The first step lies in building awareness and taking responsibility. Friends, as the younger generation, we have always seen nature as playground, but now we must see it differently. We need to protect it from people who only want to exploit it for their own gain. Too often, people get caught up in social or economic debates and forget that our natural and cultural heritage in Geopark Caldera Toba is quietly losing its life to feed a few greedy-some elites. Who benefits? The oligarchs. And who will pay the price? The planet and us, the next generation. Our role is critical. Protecting Geopark Caldera Toba is not just about conserving nature. It is about safeguarding tourism, livelihoods, and cultural legacy that depend on this unique region. Some still believe we must choose between progress and environment. I say there is a false choices. With the right mindset, community involvement, and policy, we can achieve both. Awareness alone is not enough. Once we understand the problem, we must move forward to take a real action, no matter how small. This is where our Green Revolution is began, not with massive, complicated schemes, but with simple, meaningful action. I call it KISS, Keep It Simple, Son. For example, imagine if every member community planted one tree on their birthday each year. A single act scale in community can create a real change. Education is key. Start by teaching students around Lake Toba by using stories, animation, and real-life examples to show them the consequences of environmental neglect. There's a saying, you can't teach an old dog new tricks. The younger generation is our hope. Soon, the older generation will pass the torch, and we must be ready to lead with knowledge, responsibility, and creativity. But education alone is not enough. We must act. Visit rural area, engage with local community, and build awareness about sustainability practices. While erase sustainability practices, we must also highlight opportunities of local economic growth. This could mean creating jobs in ecotourism or promoting local products like coffee and handicraft. We also know that action needs a direction. That is why we must set a clear goals. By combining education, action, and simplicity, we aim to first, reduce carbon emission in and around Lake Toba. Second, prevent environmental exploitation for profit. And the third, build a sustainable green economy that supports communities. Friends, the youth will become the next leader. Picture Lake Toba in 2030. Its waters crystal clear, reflecting the bright blue sky, children play and laugh and diving freely into the lake. Nearby, the artisan thrift showcasing eco-friendly crafts and products. Imagine where everyone becomes a guardian of the world. This is our responsibility, and this is our generation. We are the youth who can make this green revolution a reality. That's all from me. Don't forget to like and comment. Goodbye.